Hi, Beanbeauties. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back to my chaoticness. Is that what we're calling it? I don't know. Vlogmas, chaoticness, craziness, Beanbeauti messness, all of the above. Today we are going to have a Coachmas unboxing for sure. If you are interested in all of the surprises I have for y'all today, then come on back and we'll get started. Hi, Bean Beauties. In case you haven't been here, or in case today is your first day, I am having a marathon unboxing month. If I can get everything in order, I am having 12 days of Coachmas, 12 days of Deckmas, and 12 days of miscellaneousness. And that's my goal. However many it ends up being, I don't know. It may end up going into January. We'll see. The goal of it for this go around is to unbox all of those things that I have purchased in 2025 or before that I am just finding around in my house, because we had to shuffle things around. They got lost. And so now I'm trying to get them all unboxed so we can go into 2026 with a fresh beginning, and hopefully that I will be caught up on my unboxings. But really, I never am. Shh. There always seems to be one or two things hidden in the wings that I am unaware of, and we find. But we're going to start today with brooch of the day. I have a little theme going on today, and today's brooch is going to be a snowman to match my snowman earrings and my snowman blouse. So I thought that we would put this on together. And this may be in every video or maybe just this video. I don't know. It's kind of whatever floats my boat. And as long as you're willing to come along with the ride, then we'll do that. She kind of is hidden, huh? Let's see. Can you see that any better? Maybe I'll try to zoom in. I'll try to zoom in on her. But she's going to be there. She's a snowman Santa. So today we are going to do a Coachmas, and this video will all be done at one time. Some of the other videos that I have are an intro and an outro that was recorded after the unboxing because I was trying to get things done because I was supposed to be unavailable, but things change. So now I can be here with y'all. So you may see this now, you may see this later. You may see some stuff from Thanksgiving. Who knows? That's part of the surprise for my chaoticness. My mess, really. So today we're going to start, whoops, with this baby right here. This baby got lost on me. Can you tell what kind of item it is? It is a Coach item. I got it on eBay. And the seller sent a nice little card, and it says, thank you so much for your purchase and for supporting my small business. I hope we have made your day and you love your order. And it comes from La Puente, California. This got lost. This was supposed to be unboxed when I did some unboxings in the summertime, and it hid from me. It wanted to wait till Christmas. This was shipped to me in July, on July 18th, 2025. At least we're in 2025. So here is here it is. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I've been waiting and waiting and waiting for this. I've been looking for this. So I went and had a tote extravaganzas this summer and opened up a bunch of totes. And this one I couldn't find. So here is the front, here is the side, here is the back, here is the other side, here is the bottom. And she is new with tags. So the retail price was $3.78, but you know, that's this, I believe this is an outlet bag, right? I think it's a city tote. Yes, it's a city tote, so it's an outlet bag. Here is a tag right here. It is all packaged up like it's never been used. And I have my my Rexy wristlet, and my Rexy charm that goes with this. So I'm hoping my Rexy charm, she's been lost for a little while, but she's lost on another bag. I put her on a bag and I don't remember what bag. That's why I kind of stopped doing that, letting my charms live on bags, because then I lose them. And when I want to wear them, I can't find them. But I have a charm just like this. I have a wristlet that's this pattern. And I think I have a willow tote that is also in this collection. Okay, so I stuffed her a little bit. I'm going to take this off because there's no returning her. I don't know. I want to say that I picked these totes because they were going to fit my shoulders, so I can carry it as a shoulder bag and I don't have to carry it as a top handle. However, I've been wanting this pattern for a while, so I could have made an exception. So we will see. But I want to take this off and really look at the bag. Ooh, okay. So on the inside here, the tote has the detail of the Coach and the Coach branding here. It's metal and it's also here on the front. I like that detail. It is a magnetic closure. And let's see. Ah, yay! It does. It fits. Perfect. Perfect. I'm going to see if I can cut this off. I might need scissors for this. Okay, let me get scissors. Okay. There, we're snipping her off. Throwing that in the trash. And ta-da! Here she goes. That is our big Coach item. And I'm definitely going to have to stuff her so that I have stuffing everywhere. I just don't have it at my hands right now to make her look good. I love that. I love the tag. I love the branding here that's there on the inside, the color. Very pretty. And I like the tote because I'm not very much of a signature C gal, but this feels muted when you have these pop of colors. And I love Rexy. I love the Rexy that they use for the outlet. She's just real colorful and real fun. So I like this Rexy a lot. Alrighty, so now what's next is let's head over to the wrap up and we're gonna have our advent calendar unboxing. All right, let's head over and see what we have for today. Hi Bean Beauties, thanks for coming back after our Coachmas unveiling. We are going to start with the Labubus. I think we'll do the Labubu on the Coach series. Maybe I'll mix it up down the line. I don't know. We'll see. But today we're going to do Labubu. And then this box, I don't know what it is. I want to give some of these as gifts this Christmas and birthday season. So I need to get these undone. But I don't know what this is. If this is a Labubu or is it something else that I purchased. We will find. This is a mystery. It's a mystery unboxing. Oh, perfect. It's under Coachmas. Okay. This is a little, oh, I think this is, yeah. I think it was like a little pill box, but I wanted to use it for my jewelry when we were traveling. To keep it in my purse. I don't know what originally it was for, but now that I see it, I remember. So perfect timing. This definitely fits in the video of Coachmas. It's very close, the color, to this, the trim of that. See, very cool. It's leather. It's very nice, very, very nice. Okay, so we will put that here for now, and we're going to open this up. So let's see. Okay, this is a J, so this is going to be a gift.
Hi Bean Beauties, Dee Dee Bean here. How are you doing today? Well, a little hiccup happened. This is when Christmas Chaosmas, or Chaotic Christmas, however we're going to label this year, came into play. One of the many ways. I decided to leave this in here. That way, if you're having that feeling of chaos during this month of December or any time of the year, then you know that we as content creators do too. At least I do too. So I just thought I would share with you that I decided to pull aside all of the Labubus that were for gifts because It's Hadrian so kindly labeled everything for me, or mostly everything for me, and that had to do with the kids, or that he knew that were for my family. So I was able to pull those out, and that way I can give them as gifts in pristine condition instead of me opening them. So that means that you're not going to get an actual visual unboxing of a Labubu today, but you did get a mystery unboxing, and hope that will hold you over. Alrighty, Bean Beauties, if you made it this far, and if you're still hanging in there with me and you still are enjoying the content, I mean, you did get a wonderful Rexy tote and a mystery jewelry box unboxing. But if you're still made it this far and you can still support me, let's put an upside down face. I'll put an example up here for you. That way we all know that this time of year we all feeling a little upside down. Alrighty, Bean Beauties, hope to see you on the next Chaoticmas, Coachmas, Stuckmas, Miscellaneousness. We'll see what it is. Love you. Bye-bye.